Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick unboxing and review of the SUPAREE Hyper 5 Off-Road LED pod lights. So come on, let's begin. Alright, so again, these are the SUPAREE Hyper 5 and this packaging is nice. I like the way they package this. And it is very nice. So yeah, so just here in the box, basically here the back, it shows basically the rating of the lights, basically the lumens, and yeah, so this and the focus in here, basically the distance from the lights up to the dimmest light that it projects. So yeah, so these are 5 inches square pod lights. So in the box, basically there's two pieces in here. So it comes with an amber and white. So they are dual color, 3000 DRL or 3000K DRL and 6500K with the main light. So it includes a harness and with the voltage, so they work with 10 to 24 volts. So with the wiring harness, it says here 12 volts only, and it says the material is aluminum alloy, lens is PC polycarbonate, housing color is black. So if you want to follow them on their social media and their website, just scan the QR code in here. So yeah, so these are IP68 rating, and they come with a 5-year warranty, which is nice. So let's open the box, and this is nice. It has a nice presentation. As you see here, it has this graphics in here. Again, this is nice. I really like the way they present this, and it includes this sheet in here, basically what it includes in the specs. So these are 65 watts each pods, so that's like 130 together. So 4 watts on the DRL. So operating temperature -42, 149 Fahrenheit. So with the weight, a single pod is 1.8 pounds. So yeah, so this uses the DT4 connectors. So it even shows you in here basically for the pin out what it does. So with the pin out 1, it's the main light, the ground. The third pin is the white. The fourth pin is the amber. So it comes with the hardware also. So yeah. So what else do we have here? Just their social media. Let's see here. This is nice. So it comes with 2 blackout and 2 amber. That's nice. So nice packaging, thick foam to protect the stuff inside, especially this one. So it comes with this harness. We got the hardware in here, good. And let's see the harness. So the harness in here, so it's a dual DT4 connector. It has a fuse line in here. And yeah, this will be the relay for sure. And yeah, so it got a warning in here. So make sure to keep the wire away from any heat or moving parts. So here in the back, so if you have a switch panel, it gives you that option. So if you want to connect a switch panel, cut off the main wire and wire as you need. So it even tells you in here which one is for the amber, for the white. Yeah, so it gives you basically the label. Okay, so that's good. So probably if we need to cut this one out, this will be the main wire. We're gonna cut it in here if we will wire it to our switch panel. So this is nice. I like it. So it even got the switch. If you're gonna directly install this to your battery, it comes with a switch. So with this switch, it says A, I believe, will be for amber, has this power button in the middle. White will be for white, or W for white. So, yep. So for the lights itself, let's pull this out. So they're not heavy at all. So these are nice. I like them. So they have side shooters also, which is nice. That's a nice addition to it. So yeah, so as I mentioned, you have the DT4 connector. So yeah, these are nice. And they're slim profile. That's very nice that they got that slim profile and they are built nicely. Yeah, the quality on this one is nice. Really like it. So they got some labels here, certification, whatever. The bottom, then SUPAREE HYPER 5 pod light. Nice. They have the branding on the top. So I like it. So we got the bracket in here, which just goes here in the side. So we can easily put those together, just screw them there. And then basically the mounting in the bottom. So this will be easy to install. So I will install them on the Forerunner and the ditch light. All right, so let's go and install them. All right, so I installed this as my ditch lights. So I remove whatever ditch light I have in here. So these are the CBI brackets. And now just to show you here, it doesn't touch anything. So nothing on the body. This is just one of my cable that I'm not using for now. So yeah, so they're good. We have enough clearance here, so everything is good. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna connect it to our switch panel in here, and yeah, so I'll end up cutting this. So basically we will cut the main wire, which will be the thicker one. So this is the one that we need to cut. So we're gonna leave enough cable. So probably I'll cut it just like that. Leave it about 6 or 8 inches to the relay, just in case that we need to use it in the future. But yeah, so yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut this and basically connect it to my switch panel. All right, so we're going to strip this and we're going to connect them on the switch panel. All right, so I think I'm gonna route it first before stripping. Okay, so again, it depends on what vehicle you're gonna install this. So the install will be similar, routing of wire will be similar, but again, it's up to you. It depends on what vehicle. So I'm just gonna cable tie the rest on the near the firewall. All right. All right, so I finished wiring them up. So I'm just testing them right now. So this is the amber ring light DRL. So they're nice. So just to compare them as a DRL to my Diodynamics DRL, these are very faint compared to this DRL. So those are nice. I like them. So let me switch them to the white and then to the main beam. All right, hold on. All right, so I'm going to change the color to the white one. There you go. That is the white one. And now let's try the main. Whew, they're bright. These are nice. Whew, they're nice. Really like them. So just to show you, They have side shooters also here on this side, so that's a nice touch. So they actually throw some beam on the side here and over there, so as you can see. So that is nice. Really like them. So we're gonna try this one out outside. Again, be responsible. They're not road legal, so they're only off-road use only. So again, I'll show you the rings. I think it will be better if we use just the orange, and this will be, yeah, I think I'm not gonna get in trouble by turning on just these lights as DRLs, or even at nighttime. I think I'm not gonna get in trouble with those if I have those lit up. So yeah, so again, these are the SUPAREE Hyper 5. And yeah, so if you want to purchase them, I'll put the link in the description below. I'll include some night shots on this one. So just watch till the end of the video to see those pictures. You can also follow my Instagram. I'm going to post some pictures in there about these lights. All right, so again, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. If you want to purchase these lights, I'll put the link in the description below. You can use my discount code also. I'll make some follow-up videos on this one, doing some comparison on this one to my STEDI EVO, the mini EVOs that I have. So I'll make some comparison on this one. All right, so again, thank you for watching.